This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. Here's a scene, but it needs text. Let's see. Oh, that's kind of cool. Alien, robot-y, butterfly background. Cool. Do this. Add 2 pieces of text to the following scene. Make the 2 pieces of text different sizes. All right. So here's all of our sprites. Our variable. We set the animation. Yep, we got all of that. The background, the sprites. Cool. So then what we need is text. I'm headed over to drawing and I'm going to look for text. I'm going to shrink this. And there it is. Text. str stands for string, right? We can put it after draw sprites, and we would want to because the background here is an image. I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to put it right here and hit reset run. And you see it's way up there. It's tiny. We'll watch though. Reset run. And it disappeared. Why? Because the grass, this background here, is a picture right there. And so it covers the entire screen. So for it to work, we need to make sure it is underneath draw sprites because the computers run code in order. So the last line of code is what the computer will do last. Well, we need it to draw the text last so it appears on top of everything else. If we draw the text before the sprites go on top and you can't even see the text. All right. Now I want my text to say, hello there, exclamation point, and XY values. I want it near this dude, so 170 and then 110Y, maybe less so it goes over his head, so maybe 40 for Y, 50 for Y, and let's say 150. I'm just experimenting. Text is written from the left side. Oh yeah, that looks good. Now I want it to look nice and be able to read it, so I'm going to do text size, maybe 16. That's better, and I'm actually going to add a color too. That kind of works. What if I do 20? Cool. Hello there. And now I'm going to add more text, so text. And I'm going to say, are we friends? See, this robot's not nice. Are we friends? They're friends. He just doesn't want to acknowledge it. I'm going to say, like, yeah. Remember, it draws from the left side of the text, so maybe 200Y and 240X. So 240X, 200Y. And make sure your text is in quotes because it's a string. Now, if I wanted this text to be a different color, I just need to make sure that I put right above it, fill, and I don't know, maybe I do this text as black. Cool. Ta-da! Or I can make it larger. Ta-da! Oh, well, now it's off the screen. Ta-da! Awesome. Onward.